this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create simple mobile video for your content. So we'll be doing this using Canva and Yogurt. So now I'll go over to Chrome. You can see my Chrome here. Let me show you. Down here, I'll just click on it. Then I'll search canva.com. Canva.com. It's already showing it on the top, so I'll click on this one, then allow it to load. So it's loading. Give it a little time. I'll be sent directly to Canva home, but if you have not been using it before, it will ask you to sign up. So you just quickly sign up. There is nothing there. So now they ask you, what will you design today? You have to choose what you want to do. Do you want to design YouTube thumbnail, mobile video, social media video? What do you want to create? You know what you came here for. So for this video, we are talking about mobile video. So I'll just click on mobile video. Then I'll wait for it to show me other templates. These are the templates it provided. So you have to choose the one that will serve you more or serve you better. So you just scroll and make your choice. Then as you're scrolling, you'll see some that they wrote pro under. Those ones you have to pay before you be able to use it. So you better use the ones that doesn't have pro. Just check for the ones you want. I don't know, maybe I think let me check others. Let me just use this one. Why did it close? Let's try this one. Alright, as I was recording, I did not know that the thing was not recording again, so I just have to do voiceover for this one. So we'll click on that one. You just click on it, then you wait, because if you click on one, they will show you just one slide, and I want the 7 pages to show. You see this place they wrote apply all 7 pages. You have to click on it so that you have the 7 slides there. Okay, so I'll just click on it. The network was a bit fluctuating, so we just have to wait a little. Just click on it again if it's not working. So we just have to wait a little. Okay, here it is. So the first one, you just have to do some changes. You change the color, you edit the write-up. So for the color, my brand color is blue and not purple. So I want to change it to my color, because this thing, you just have to change it to suit your taste. You get? They just gave you a template. You just work on it. So I'll change the background color to blue, which is my brand color. Then I can still change the write-up to whatsoever color I want, because my brand color is mostly blue, white, and black. So I've changed the background color. You see color under, so you just click on it and change it. Then as for the write-up, I can change it to white or black, but I choose to change it to white. It will go better on white, on this blue background. So you change the color to white. Here it is. So now we have our color set. Now you change the write-up. I already edited it, but in the next one, you see how I edited it. I was not able to show it clearly now. So I've changed the write-up, which was ready to grow, to 3 ways to be consistent online. You do want to change your write-up to whatsoever you want to. You can change the font size, you can change the font itself, you can change anything you want to change. Just do you. Okay, so this is the second slide. I already edited it. Then the third one, here I'll show you how I edited the write-up. You already know how I edited the background color, although I'll still do it here. You just change it to blue, to your desired color if you don't like blue. Then I'll remove this covered. I don't really need it, so I'll have to remove it. I'll remove it so that I'll use the other write-up. And now if I paste my write-up like that, there'll be problem, because this font is too big. So if I paste the write-up, it will occupy the whole space. So I just have to reduce the font size. I reduced this one. I was planning to use it earlier, but I changed my mind. So I will later remove this covered. I don't need it. So this how you do it. As for you, you just choose what you want. So now I want to edit the write up, and I already have my write up somewhere in my WPS. I'll just go to WPS and scroll to get my write up. You can have your write up anywhere, whether in your notepad, wherever you want. It's your choice. So I'll just copy the write up, then minimize and come back so that I'll just paste it. Okay. If you have it by heart, you can as well just type directly. I already have mine there. That's why I had to minimize to copy it. So just move to the one you are working on. I'll just move to the third slide, which I guess that's where I'm working on. You just click on the write up. Then you see edit down here. Click on edit. You just delete this one here. Then paste your write up. You see? So my write-up is a bit much. That's why I reduced the size then. Because if I did not reduce the size, it would have been a problem because it would have occupied the whole space. So now I will work a little on my write-up so that it will look exactly how I want it to look. Okay? Remember, it's all your choice. You just do what you want to do with it. As far as you get your desired result, no problem. So this is it. I'm almost done with this one. So we'll just move to the next slide. Move to the next slide. The second one, batch, create content. Set aside time to create multiple posts at a time and the rest. So I was trying to edit the color of this thing that was moving, but I wasn't able to do it. So I just have to leave it that way. Okay, so the next slide now, the same way you worked on the other one, that's the same way you can as well work on this one. You just change the background color. So here I was trying to change the background color when I mistakenly changed the color of this thing there. So I have to go back. The background color have to be blue, of course, because that's my brand color and I've already started using blue. So I'll just click on the background, click on color, then choose your desired color. Then now you edit the write-up. I'll just delete this marketing. I don't need the second one. Then this one now, I'll reduce the font size because of course my write-up is much. So I don't want it to occupy the whole space. It will look somehow. So I will now go over to WPS to go and copy my write-up because that's where it is. So I'll just go over to WPS. I have so many write-ups there. So I just scroll to the one I want to copy. Copy, then minimize and come back. I've told you if you want to paste your write-up anywhere, no problem. I just choose WPS. That doesn't mean you must use WPS, okay? So just move to the one you were working on. Just move to it. It's not that difficult. Here it is. Then you edit. Remove this one, then paste yours. Okay. I don't know. The network was really bad. That's why it's just taking me back and forth. But I thank God I was able to get my design ready. So here it is. You just adjust it if it's not okay. Everything is up to you. Okay? You just do you. So now I have my my design ready. This next slide, I'm done with my write-up. So I'll just write something like follow me for more tips or something like that. Okay? So first let's change the background color again. Then the write-up will change the color to white as usual. Then it's time to delete this one because I don't need a second one. I reduce the size. Okay. Then now edit the write-up. You can type whatever you want to write. So I'll just type follow me for more tips. So that's it. Follow me for more tips. All right. So that's it for this one. I'm done with my designs. I'm done with everything I want to write. So I'll just have to delete the remaining slides because they are not needed. I don't need them. Assuming I have other designs or write-ups, I would have written there, but no. So you just delete those ones. Your design is ready. You can play to view it or watch it to be sure you got exactly what you want. So this is me viewing it to be sure that I'm with the right thing. So you just click on download. Here you see download at the top side. You see the download icon. Once you click on it, it will show you download. Then it will bring you to this place. When you now click the download there, you just wait a little for it to prepare your design. Of course, it's preparing. You can see they're preparing your design. You just give it a little time. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Please do this so that the algorithm will push it to more people so that other people will see this video and also learn from it. I don't know why it's taking time, but okay. Now we have to wait for it to download because if you just go, my sister or my brother, you will not see your design. So you see downloading file here until it show you open this place. You see details until it turn to open. Please, it have not downloaded. So we just have to wait a little. If you look at my screen, you see that it's still downloading. You see the icon there, it's still downloading. So you just have to be a little bit patient. Okay, don't be in a rush to move or to go, otherwise you lose your design. Okay, the thing is taking much time. That's we have to be patient, nothing else. All right, file downloaded, open. You can click on the open to view it either with phonies or your gallery. So now I already know it's in my gallery already. You just click on your code for you to do some adjustments. If you want to add music or add anything, you can use UCOS to do that. So here is what I'm doing. You can see it. I'm just showing you this because I want to show you how to add the music. For me, I don't want to add anything because I already used my voice. So there is no need using any sound or any music. So you just click on music here. You see music down here. I already showed you that. So you click on it to choose your desired sound. So here you choose any one you like. I think I'll go with this second one, Sweet Dreams. You click on it, then adjust to the size you want it. Then you can reduce the volume, you can increase it, whatever you want to do with it. It's up to you. So this is me trying to adjust the volume. Just trying to adjust the volume, and I'm okay with everything. I just have to save my video. You just click on save here, then your video is saving already. Don't mind them, they will just show you app
Save
ad.
time creating
Just watch the
content
ad,
and generate a
then
high-quality
skip.
clone of your voice with 11.
Just cancel, then your video is saving. You just give it a little time. It doesn't even take much time. You wait for it till it's 100% so saved, so you can go to your gallery and your video is there. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.